Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter angles. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the chapter angles. Okay. Okay, the first one is angle vocabulary, right? So first let's just discuss some of the basic words related to the angles. So the first one is, what is vertex, right? So for example, you are given an angle, this one, STU, right? So the vertex is the one angle that is common to both rays, right? You can see T is common to both rays S and U. So T is the vertex. Vertex is always the one that should be read while using 3 points to name an angle. So this angle is U. So T is the vertex. Okay. So okay, let's just start with the lesson vocabulary. Look at this angle. What is vertex? So which is the correct option? Which is the vertex? U is the vertex, right? The correct option is U. U is the vertex. Okay. At this angle, what is the vertex? So which is the correct option? Yes, X is the vertex. Look at this angle, which is the vertex. T is the vertex, right? The correct option is T. Look at this angle. What is the vertex? T is the vertex, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. The next one is measures. So, how do you measure the angle? What is the measurement of this angle? You can see one line is all lined up to 0, right? From here you can go, it would be 170 degrees, right? The angle measure is 170 degrees. Start with the practice questions. What is the measurement of the 170 degrees? It is, right? What is the measurement of this angle? When you are measuring the angle, make sure one of the line is lined up with 0, right? So this one is lined up with 0. So the angle is 5 degrees, right? The angle is 5 degrees. What is the measurement of the angle? Yes, that would be 60 degrees. The correct option is 60 degrees. What is the measurement of the angle? Yes, that is 15 degrees. What is the measurement? Yes, that would be 85 degrees. The correct option is 5 degrees. Oh, sorry. That is 105 degrees, not 85, right? What is the measurement of this angle? That would be 80 degrees. The correct option is 80. What is the measurement of this angle? One thing, you're going from this side, from left to right, right? You measure the angles that are written outside, right? And when one of the line is lined up on the right hand side, you need to measure from right to left. You need to read the angles that are inside. That would be 10 degrees, right? So this one is 10 degrees. What is the measurement of this angle? So which is the correct option? That would be 40 degrees, right? The correct option is 40. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next one. Okay, the next lesson is Identify complementary, supplementary, vertical, adjacent, and congruent angles. Other than itself, which angle is congruent to angle? So here is angle 1, right? You need to see which angle is congruent to angle 1. So angle 1 and angle 4 are congruent, right? Because they are on the opposite side of opposite side. They are the vertical angles, so they measure exactly the same, right? So 1 and 4 are the vertical angles. Sorry, 1 and 4 are the congruent angles. They have the same measure. Basically, they are on the opposite sides of the same line, right? So they are the congruent angles, right? Which angle is vertical to angle 9? The angles that are on the same lines but on the opposite side are the vertical angles, right? And they are the congruent, they measure always the same. So the vertical angle is 11. Angle 9 and angle 11 are the vertical angles, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what is which is an angle that is supplementary to EGA? Okay, EGA is the angle, right? You need to see the angle that is the supplementary to EGA, right? It would be EGA. Option number 1 is the correct one, right? It would be A, B, C, and D, G, E, right? They are the supplementary angles. Option number 1 is the correct option. Supplementary means the angle that makes them 100, right? What is the angle that is complementary to angle 6? That is option number 1. Angle 1 or angle 4, right? Because 1 and 4 are the vertical angles, they measure the same. So option number 1 is the correct option. They are angle 1 and angle 4. Other than itself, which angle is congruent to angle BEC? Where is BEC, right? So which angle is congruent to BEC? That would be the angles that are on the same lines but on the opposite side are the vertical angles, right? So BEC, this one, BEC, right? So the opposite is this one, it would be DEA. DEA and BEC are the congruent angles, right? The correct option is option number 1. Which angle is vertical to angle GHF? Okay, let me see where is GHF. Okay, here is angle GHF, right? So the vertical angle is ABHA, right? Because the angles on the same lines but on the opposite direction, right? So they are the vertical angles. So angle GHF and BHA are the vertical angles. So option number one is correct option. BHA is the vertical angle. Got it? Which angle is vertical to angle 9? Is the correct option 4 or 11? The correct option is angle 11, right? Very good. That would be angle 11. Which angle is vertical to angle 2? Which is the correct option? That would be very good. That would be angle 5. Okay, which angle is adjacent to angle CDA? Adjacent angles are the one that share the common vertex, right? So angle CDA is, this is angle CDA, then ADB is the adjacent angle because they both have the common vertex, right? So angle ADB is the correct option, right? So option number B is the correct option. Other than itself, which angle is congruent to angle 1? Which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is angle 4. Sorry. What is an angle that is adjacent to angle 5? Which is the correct option? The correct option is angle 1. That would be, where is angle 11? Sorry. What is an angle that is adjacent to angle 5, right? Yes, they are angle 4 or angle 1. Here is angle 5, right? 4 is adjacent and 1 is adjacent. So, other than itself, which angle is congruent to angle 1? Which is the correct option? angle 1, that is angle 4, right? The correct option is angle 4. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just see the next one. The next one is find measures of complementary, supplementary, vertical, and adjacent angles. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the measure of an angle is 155. What is the measurement of supplement angle? The correct option is supplementary angle means the angle that measures to 180 degree, right? So 100